Hello guys, today I want to show you about 8 best places to visit in Yamunotri Dham. One of the famous shrines out of 4 dhams in India, Yamunotri Dham is dedicated to Goddess Yamuna River. This is the first dham you'll visit if you're planning your Char Dham Yatra. In this article, we have mentioned the best places you can visit on your Yamunotri Dham trip. Yamunotri Temple is a beautiful place to explore, which holds special religious significance for Hindu devotees. It is a sacred and holy place famous amongst Hindu pilgrims to seek blessings at. This is the first dham of the sacred Char Dham Yatra. The Yamunotri Temple, located amidst the snow-capped Himalayas, is dedicated to the goddess Yamuna. It was built in 1839 by the king of Terry. Constructed of granite stones, this temple is an architectural masterpiece too. Pilgrims feel refreshed and pure, their hearts filled with peace and tranquility as they seek blessings at the Yamunotri shrine. The Yamunotri Dham has many beautiful and famous locations apart from the Yamunotri shrine, which one should not miss visiting on their trip to Yamunotri. This religious destination has many local sightseeing places to explore in and around Yamunotri. Yamunotri Temple, Surya Kund, Janki Chatti, Karsali, Shani Dev Temple, Hanuman Chatti, Divyashila, and Badkot are famous places in Yamunotri you can visit. Below, we provide you with the top 8 places you can consider visiting in and around Yamunotri on your Char Dham trip. Take a look at the article and plan your itinerary accordingly. Top 8 best places to visit in Yamunotri. Divyashila. Divyashila, also famously known as the Slab of Divine Light, is a holy stone placed outside the main Yamunotri temple. This is a must-visit place in Yamunotri to visit on your trip. It is considered a ritual among devotees, first to worship the Divyashila and then enter the main shrine. Prasad is also offered at the Divyashila. You can take it inside the temple premises. You can reach Divyashila by the same route as Yamunotri Dham. Shani Dev Temple. Shani Dev Temple is the oldest temple of Shani Dev, located in Karsali, the Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand. You can consider visiting this place on your Yamunotri trip as it is one of the most popular places in Yamunotri Dham. The Shani Dev Temple is known as the winter seat of goddess Yamuna, a km away from Janki Chatti. This temple is the first one will visit upon starting their Char Dham Yatra. It holds religious significance among the Hindu devotees, as it is believed that Pandava brothers built this temple. Karsali. Karsali is the winter seat of goddess Yamuna. It is also known as Kushi Math, and visiting this place is one of the best things one can do on their Yamunotri trip. This beautiful small village is a scenic beauty which will bless your sight. Offering you stunning picturesque views, this is a must-visit place. This place is also the abode of the oldest Shani Dev temple in the country. Barkot. Barkot is a beautiful hill station near Yamunotri, where people stop by on your Char Dham Yatra. Being the last central town in Uttarkashi, this hill station is a must-visit place. You can catch a sight at the soothing views of the Ganga and Yamuna rivers passing through the town. If you love exciting adventures, you should participate in adventure activities such as trekking and whitewater rafting here. The mesmerizing views of Bandar Poonch mountain are the icing on the cake. Surya Kund. Surya Kund is a hot water spring in the Yamunotri shrine. This kund holds special significance in Hindu mythology. It is believed that whoever consumes the prasad cooked in hot water of this kund gets his desires fulfilled. Moreover, the snow-capped Kalindi mountains surrounding this holy kund make the whole atmosphere sacred and divine. Hanuman Chatti. Exploring Hanuman Chatti is one of the best things you can do on your Yamunotri trip. Located at a distance of 13 kilometers from the Dham, it is a popular trekking point among trekkers. You can trek from here to Yamunotri, Darwa Top, and Dodi Tal. In addition, you can visit the famous attraction of this place, the Hanuman Temple, here. You can also plan to book a stay here, as this place has some good stay options. Yamunotri Temple. Yamunotri Temple, dedicated to the goddess Yamuna, is a famous spot, being one of the dhams of the famous Char Dham Yatra. Located at a height of 3,291 meters and in the beautiful western Garhwal Himalayas, this temple is a scenic beauty. This place's spiritual and religious vibes will fill your hearts with tranquility and solace. The mesmerizing views around this temple will leave you stunned. You can seek the blessings of Goddess Yamuna here from May to November in a year. The temple is open for devotees from 6 in the morning to 8 in the evening. Janki Chatti. Janki Chatti is the starting point of the holy Yamunotri trek. The trek to Yamunotri Dham starts from here and can be completed in 3 hours. It is also famous for its hot water springs. Pilgrims start their trek after taking holy dips in the spring here. The pilgrims immensely love this place, as one can also find some reasonable accommodations in hotels, lodges, and ashrams at an affordable price here at Janki Chatti. Book a Char Dham Yatra package by indiathrills.com for yourself to start exploring these places. Frequently asked questions. What is the best time to visit Yamunotri? May, June, September, October, and November are the best months to visit and explore Yamunotri. The weather stays pleasant and adequate for pilgrims to seek blessings at the Yamunotri shrine. There is no snowfall in this season, making it comfortable for all the devotees to explore Yamunotri Dham. How many days are sufficient to explore Yamunotri? A day is considered enough to plan a stay at Yamunotri. There is nothing much that one can explore besides the main shrine. Tourists say a day or two is sufficient to explore Yamunotri. You can also extend your stay if you want to explore nearby places. How can one reach Yamunotri Temple? Jolly Grant Airport in Dehradun is the nearest airport to Yamunotri Dham. It is located at a distance of 215 kilometers from the shrine. You can reach here through any private taxi or by any government bus. This is one of the most convenient ways to travel to Yamunotri. Are there any places near Yamunotri one can explore? Yes, many places in and around Yamunotri can be explored while visiting the Yamunotri temple. In addition, pilgrims can plan to visit famous places in Yamunotri such as Surya Kund, Janki Chatti, Hanuman Chatti, Divya Shila, Barkot, etc. Thank for watching. Please subscribe and wait to the next video. Thanks.